Evening, everybody. This is Taylor with Gamma Edge coming at you with a quick market status for Friday, October 14th. Here's our general disclaimer. Give it a read when you're done, so let's move on. Here we have our TQS model. Last night we were talking about the compression we saw here. We were thinking there may be a move one way or another, just given what we were seeing here. That move first was to the downside massively, and then massive reversal to the upside today. It expressed itself through the cumulative tick, triggered our first very short-term signal. That being the cumulative tick above a upward trending short-term moving average ribbon. Also see linear up day via the filter tick, significant buying throughout the session. Next step here, we want to start seeing this cumulative tick progress to the longer term moving average ribbon and then ultimately uninverting. Any questions on kind of the stages, pop in the Discord, ask away. Here we have our tick ARCX model, again, similar comments to what we just talked about. Nice reversal, linear update through the short-term moving average ribbon from the cumulative tick. You'll see this first little signal right here is turned on. So again, we are looking for confirmation follow-through in the coming days and weeks. Here are our PBI dashboard. Price action right here. 350 was a massive level. That was negative GEX coming into the session. We were well aware of this in the pre-market, seeing where price gap down. We were watching to see how price interacted with this level. Sure enough, got a little consolidation here. Then off to the races we went for the rest of the day. Now that we're at this point, you can see that the structure above this is pretty sloppy. A lot of transition going between negative positive strikes. So candidly, don't have a good upside target for you here. The setup was kind of today. Hope you all caught that. Now we just gotta kind of observe and see what happens in the coming days and weeks here. Here, just going through our SPY time frame charts, just hitting on the daily again, to see the significance, the massive outside engulfing bar, whatever you call it here. Again, above this key 365 level, you can see kind of the significance of price interaction historically here. From here, we want to see this level hold and progress higher. Here we have the hourly chart. Again, nothing new to say here, just looking at our key liquidity levels. A lot of historical price interaction here. You can see we had a nice retest intraday. We can get more in on the next slide around 360. But again, just kind of taking in context of the day, we're now back into this kind of massive trading range here. Lastly, intraday time frame. This is actually the 1 minute. You can see here we have the 350 level highlighted right here. You can see price chopping right between that and 348. Got the massive move higher. Again, progressed throughout the day. I liked on these gap down days, anchor VWAP to the low of the day to that point. You can see held really throughout the session. This is also a great early entry point here. Again, around this 364, this isn't necessarily a gamma level per se, but you saw a nice just consolidation action, price interaction with this level intraday. Again, could have taken a trade there, size risk off VWAP, what have you. Yeah, and then lastly, again, a nice test of this 361 level. Prior slide, you saw the significance of that level. So again, there are a couple good entries today, and like we were saying, the setup from last night kind of lended itself to kind of a release of the energy that we did see today. So that's what I got for you guys tonight. Hopefully you found this if not helpful, then kind of hindsight bias insightful on things that we're looking for, things you can look for in the future. GammaEdge.us free 2-week trial. We had Michael, he did a great recap video of the day as well. Be sure to check that out in there. If you're not currently a member, free 2-week trial that we're offering right now. Come on in, ask any questions y'all got. Game Edge is on Twitter. Lastly, we would appreciate a like and subscribe if you continue getting value out of these free videos. Just kind of one of the ways you guys can give back to us for us giving to you. So with that, have a great night, a great weekend, and I'll be talking to you next week.